Hey guys, Coach D again. Now we're in the garage Gym Dojo, as you can see. Now today we're going to cover doing the Spider-Man, or what most people call the world's greatest stretch. So what we're looking at, I'm going to give you the modified position, and then I'm going to give you an advanced version of it. So going into the modified position, what we're going to do, starting in a kneeling position, again right here, we're going to take our hands, go to all four, and then move our back foot just outside our shoulder here. If you have trouble from this position, just keep the back knee down. Take your hand, put it on the back of your neck, and like the old school sprinkler dance, what you're going to do here is just rotate to the ceiling. The goal is just to open up from here. So if you get a good rotation here, you don't have to be all the way at the ceiling. Now if that feels easy for you, we can advance it here by taking our arm and rotating up and back down. If you want to advance it even more, extend the back knee off the ground, rotate up and back down. Same thing on the opposite side. All we're going to do, get in the same position and go through our rotation. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.